A very good morning, my beloved student. How are you this morning, everyone? Very good. And have you finished your breakfast, everyone? Good. And everyone, did you review the lesson last night? Very good. So, everyone, let's welcome back to our online class. And what day is it today, everyone? Very good. So, today is Tuesday, July 14, 2020. All right, and today is the second day of the new week. So everyone, teacher believe that you are ready now to learn with me in this video. Okay, so everyone, based on the online schedule, so which subject that you will study in this first session, everyone? Very good. So in the first session you will study about listening starter 3. Good. And in the second session you are going to study about, yes, very good, hangout 3. Good. So now let's focus about the listening starter first. Okay, about the first session. Okay, so everyone, teacher believe that you still remember the lesson that you have learned in listening starter. All right, so everyone, let's look at my right hand side. Okay, for the first part, which is about the listening starter that you have learned so far, which is about vocabulary. Okay, so everyone, let's focus about the listening, which is about vocabulary. So this is about the words that you have learned in unit 11. Okay, so everyone, do you still remember the definition and also the meaning, okay, and also the pronunciation of each word, everyone? Good. So can you tell me or can you describe me, okay, about all this vocabulary meaning? Good. So now let's focus about the word altogether. Okay, for the first one we pronounce smoke. Smoke. So what is smoke, everyone? Have you ever seen smoke from, especially the burning house or the factory, or somehow like the forest, like when it burns, it's become smoke, right? The mixture of gas, and it mixed together, okay, and it's become smoke, okay, and it fly to the air, you see, so it called smoke. Good. Next word we pronounce police. Police. So police refer to a person, okay, who take care of the people, okay, or the property of the people, especially to protect from theft or the crime, you see. So this is we call police. Good. The word thief, okay, refer to a person, okay, who steal the material or the property from the people, okay, so we call thief. So the next word we pronounce the word steal. Steal here refer to get something from someone without permission, and in the quick term we can say the quick term, okay, so steal like someone steal your money, okay, so this we call steal. Good. So now let's move on to the next word, the word shout. So the word shout, the function is a verb, right? Good. So to speak a loud voice, okay, especially when you get angry with someone, okay, so you shout or you scream to that person. Good. So example, like I shout to my sister, okay, so I shout to my sister. The last word, okay, we pronounce cover. So the word cover, the function is a verb, to protect. We can say to protect, okay, like the police cover you from the theft. I mean that the police, okay, protect you from the theft, you see. So this is the word cover. Good. So everyone, teacher believe that you can remember, okay, about the definition of this vocabulary. All right, so everyone, so now welcome back to our lesson for today. Okay, so the lesson for today we focus about the listening. After you learn about the vocabulary, so now we start listen, okay, to the listening audio. Okay, good. So everyone, for today teacher will cover, okay, two sections for you. Okay, for the first section. So the first one, section A, listen and circle the word or phrase you hear. Okay, listen and circle the word or phrase you hear. It is about track 114, so you have to listen carefully, and after that you have to circle the word that you hear. You see? Good. So it is in the bracket. So now before you practice the exercise, you have to listen to the listening audio first. Alright, so now are you ready to listen? Alright, so you have 1 minute to listen. Let's start.
A. Listen and circle the word or phrase you hear. 1,
Do you smell smoke?
2. Yes, I think I do. Don't forget to cover your face. Should we shout for help? 3.
We need to go to a safe place quickly. Let's go outside.
Welcome back everyone. So after you listen to the listening audio, okay, teacher hope that you get the answer. Okay, so everyone, now you can turn on the book. Okay, on page, yes, on page 73. So now after you listen, after that the next step you have to circle the word or phrase you hear. Alright, so everyone, now let's focus about the first one. So do you smell smoke, fire? Okay, so we have the word smoke and the word fire. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Do you smell? Yes, of course. So the word smoke, very good. So the correct answer is the first one. See? Very good. So everyone, now let's move on to the next one. Number 2. Yes, I think I do. Don't forget to put your hand over, cover your face. So everyone, we have one phrase and one word. So the phrase is about put your hand over. Put your hand over. You see? Put your hand over. To put your hand over something. Alright, and we have another one is the word cover. You see? So based on what you have listened in the listening audio, so which one is the correct answer, everyone? Very good. So the correct answer is the second one. Very good. Good. So the word cover. So the word cover means to protect, okay, from something. So yes, I think I do. Don't forget to cover your face. To cover your face, it means that to protect your face from the smoke. You see? Very good. So now let's move on to the last sentence, number 3. We need to go to a safe, good place quickly. Let's go outside. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Based on what you have listened in listening audio, so which one is the correct answer, everyone? Very good. So the correct answer is the first one. Good. So we need to go to a safe place quickly. Let's go outside. So you have to go to the safe place. Okay, the safe place, not in accident. Okay, to get out from the accident. So you have to go to the safe place. See? So let's go outside. Good. So everyone, this is about the first section. So now let's move on to the second one for this section, everyone. So B, listen, write the letter that matches the picture. So we have number 1 up until number 4, and we also have 4 pictures that represent about the activity, okay, in the listening. You see? Good. So before we complete the exercise, teacher would like all of you to listen to the listening audio. You see? Good. So now are you ready to listen? Very good. So now you have 1 minute to listen. Let's start.
B. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A. Look, a thief is trying to steal my bicycle. B.
Jim covered his face and moved towards the door.
C. Matt felt confused when he saw smoke in his bedroom. D.
During the flood, we had to go to a high place to be safe.
Alright, so welcome back everyone. So after you listen to the listening audio, teacher hope that you got the answer. So now everyone, to make sure your answer are correct, so let's check the answer with me all together. Okay, good. So we have number 1 and number 4, and we also have 4 pictures. So you can look at the picture carefully, and after that you have to complete the letter. You see? Good. So now let's move on to letter A. Good. So letter A, what you have listened for the first one, for the first time. So it goes to picture number, yes, of course, number 2. So number 2, letter A. Very good. So it is about a thief try to get a bicycle from this person. You see? Good. So it is a thief try to steal the bicycle from that person. You see? Good. So now let's move on to letter B. So letter B, it goes to number, yes, very good, number 3. Number 3, what is it about? Number 3, maybe it is burned, okay, the smoke from the bank. You see? Very good. So it is letter B. Now let's move on to letter C. So letter C, it goes to, yes, very good, number 1. Okay, so number 1, it is also the smoke. Okay, you see the smoke in the room. You see, maybe it's burned. Good. So now let's move on to the last one, number 4. So number 4, it goes to letter D. Very good. So number 4, it is about a flood. You see, the people go to the roof of the house. You see? Good. So we call flood. You see? The water cover the house. So we call flood. So it is about letter D. Very good, everyone. So this is about the listening practice. So it is also in listening practice 1. Alright, so teacher believe that you can catch up well, okay, about the listening and also the answer. Alright, everyone. So this is about the first section for you, about the listening starter. Okay, and do you have any question regarding to the first section, everyone? Very good. And if you don't have any questions, so this is about the end. And after that, we move on to the second session. We will study about Hangout book. Okay, and see you together. Goodbye.